This is Tom from Ghost of Matsubara, and right now is Nelson's first experience with snow. Let's see what he does. He's trying to eat it. This might be very boring. So yeah, it's snowing in Nagoya, which is pretty rare. Just eating it, I guess. Nelson, what do you think? What do you think? Gonna come in now? Shit dog? Alright. That's out in the snow. Nelson, speak! 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 Good dog, yes, yeah, you're good. Oh, that's snow. This is a rarity from Nagoya. There's snow here. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's snowing. Still snowing. This is actually the most snow I've ever seen in Japan. And Nelson's loving it. This is his first snowfall. I'm losing my camera here, sorry. But yeah, this is just outside my apartment building. And yeah, again, it doesn't really snow here often, so they're not prepared for the snow. So when it snows, it just stays and nobody tries to clean it up. But yeah, we're going for a walk. Hopefully Nelson is going to take a dump right there. That's not what I was going to say. But yeah, hopefully there'll be a place so you can run around over there. Alright, snow, snow, snow. Stay. 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 Alright, go get him. Go run. This is Nelson's first day out in the snow. So, like I said before, this is the most snow I've ever seen in Japan. There's like 3 to 4 inches. And the local kids must have made some kind of igloo out here. There's the Higashiyama Tower over there. This is some little park near my house that Nelson likes because he can run like a nut. Go get him, Nelson. Run around. Go run. What's that? What's that? What is that? Get it. He's not sure about this cave. What is it? What is it, Nelson? What is that? Go get it. Go check it out. Go check it out. What's that? Go check it out. What is that? Nothing in it. Oh, they did pretty good. Look at that little igloo they're going for, and this big ball. What, Nelson? What? Oh shit! It's a big ice ball. Oh. Get it, Nelson. Get it. Get it. Get it, buddy. Get it, Nelson. Get it. What's the matter, buddy? What? Go run. Go run around. Come on. Come on, you nut. Yeah, so we're just still walking around. Gotta go get some groceries and take the dog for a walk. So here we are in the snow. Woohoo! This is just giving you a hint of how intense this snowstorm is for the people in Nagoya. There's in fact another fire truck or ambulance coming the other way down the street that you can't really tell. But yeah, there's like people off the road and everything, and being a New Yorker, I'm like, come on guys, this is a dusting. This is no problem. Alright, but anyway, we're still on our way to go get food. Well, we don't know what's going on over here. All the hubbub seems to be over here. And I don't know if it has something to do with that building. If someone got in a car accident or what, but a whole bunch of other rubberneckers here with me. Nelson's down here, chilling. And I don't know what. At least it's finally quiet. It's really loud for a while. Alright, well I guess I'm not going to figure out what's going on. Alright. As you can see, they got there was a fire inside. They got the ladder extended there. It was the city fire department. So yeah, and that guy almost bit it. Running down the street, the snow is even harder now. It's snowing more. Nelson's getting covered. And yeah, so something happening here. But I'm not gonna stick around the whole time to see what it is. We're heading this way. We're going home. Ready, Nelson? All right.